Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with the latest One UI 7 interface showed a high-quality render. The latest image shows the curtain of the fresh interface on the new flagship smartphone. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung is set to introduce its top-of-the-line Galaxy S25 in early 2025. So, at least, we hope and believe that nothing will change here, and we won't have to wait a little longer. Again, a reputable tech insider Ice Universe has published an image of the flagship Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra smartphone with the One UI 7 graphical interface. Last week, Samsung officially announced that the final version of the One UI 7 interface will be released next year, apparently, at the same time as the flagship Galaxy S25 line. But at the same time, the company showed the interface itself. Those images were not of the best quality, but now the first high-quality render has appeared. Insider Ice Universe redrew the One UI 7 curtain and superimposed it on the screen of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's possible that this image will be followed by other high-quality renders. Samsung also showed off the One UI 7 camera interface and other software features. According to the available data, both the smartphone and the shell will be presented early next year. As for the technical characteristics, the device is credited with having a 6.86-inch Dynamic AMOLED screen with a 2K resolution, a frame rate of 1 to 120 Hertz LTPO, record-breaking narrow frames, a top-end Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 single-chip system, 12GB or 16GB of RAM, a case with a thickness of 8.2 mm, a battery with a capacity of 5000 mAh, support for 45 watts wired fast charging, and most updated main camera system. Some rumors claimed that Samsung will use some Galaxy S24 sensors in the most futuristic Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S26 smartphones. As usual, there will be three variants in the portfolio: Basic, Plus and Ultra. Among these three, Ultra has always stood out and will continue to excel, including in the field of satellite communications. Ice Universe was the first to accurately tell about the new trend for smartphones with waterfall screens, about the iPhone X notch, about the new design of the iPhone 14, and about the 200-megapixel image sensor from Samsung. Exclusive information about the new products is leaked to him by sources in the R&D department of the South Korean giant. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.